India attaches great importance to our deep-rooted historical, cultural and friendly relations with Nepal. And in recent years, these relations have seen an upward trajectory. This is visible, this is evident from expansion and diversification of our bilateral cooperation. There is also increased GOI assistance for development and connectivity projects. We have had timely implementation of several large-scale and critical projects. And even in this challenging COVID-19 situation, we have ensured unimpeded trade and supply of essentials, including medicines, to Nepal. We are also providing medical supplies and other facilitation. On the recent developments on the boundary issue, we continue to monitor the situation in Nepal. We note that this matter is receiving the careful consideration in Nepal, and we are open, India is open to engaging with all its neighbors on the basis of mutual sensitivity and mutual respect in an environment of trust and confidence. This is a continuous process and it requires constructive and positive efforts. See, on developments on the LAC, I had conveyed last week that our troops have taken a very responsible approach towards border management and strictly follow the procedures laid out in various bilateral agreements and protocols with China to resolve any issue that may arise in the border areas. The two sides have established mechanisms both at military and diplomatic levels to resolve situations which may arise in border areas peacefully through dialogue. We continue to remain engaged through these channels. India is committed to the objective of maintenance of peace and tranquility in the border areas with China, and our armed forces scrupulously follow the consensus reached by our leaders and the guidance provided. At the same time, we remain firm in our resolve to ensuring India's sovereignty and national security. Since 1993, India and China have signed several bilateral agreements and protocols to ensure peace and tranquility in the India-China border areas. These established mechanisms include, there are 5 agreements. The first is the 1993 Agreement on Maintenance of Peace and Tranquility along the line of actual control in the India-China border areas. Then there is this 1996 Agreement on Confidence Building Measures in the military field along the LAC. A protocol on modalities for the implementation of confidence building measures in the military field along the LAC, signed in 2005. There is a 2012 Agreement on the establishment of a working mechanism for consultation and coordination on India-China border affairs. And then there is a 2013 Border Defense Cooperation Agreement. What I can tell you is that our engagement at the diplomatic level also continues between both sides, both in Delhi as well as in Beijing.